In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira for content and editorial teams. Jira can be a great tool for managing content production because it helps your team stay organized, track progress clearly, and keep deadlines visible in one place. If you're handling blog posts, videos, newsletters, or website updates, setting up Jira the right way can make your editorial process much smoother. To get started, log into Jira and go to Projects, then click Create Project. You'll be asked to choose a template, and for content teams, options like Jira Work Management, Marketing Project, or Task Management are usually a good fit. After that, enter a project name that matches your workflow, such as Content Calendar or Editorial Workflow, and click Create. This gives your team a dedicated space where all content work can be managed together. Once your project is ready, click Create to start adding content tasks. These tasks can represent different activities like blog post creation, article editing, video production, social media content, newsletter creation, or website updates. As you create each task, include useful details such as the content title, a clear description, the assignee, a due date, and the priority. The more specific you are here, the easier it will be for everyone to understand what needs to happen. Next, build an editorial workflow that reflects how content moves through your team. Go to Project Settings and select Workflows. From there, create stages like Idea, Drafting, Editing, Review, Approved, and Published. This helps everyone see exactly where each piece of content stands, and it makes handoffs between team members much easier to manage. To keep your content organized, open a content task and add labels that categorize the work. For example, you might use labels like blog, video, SEO, social media, or newsletter. You can also use components for broader content areas such as website content, campaigns, or documentation. Labels and components make it easier to filter work and quickly find related tasks later. For scheduling, open the calendar view and add due dates to your content tasks. This is especially helpful for tracking publishing dates, review deadlines, and campaign launches. If priorities shift, you can adjust schedules directly in the calendar so your team always has an updated view of what's coming next. As work gets underway, open each Jira issue and assign tasks to the right team members, such as writers, editors, designers, SEO specialists, or content managers. Add any important instructions in the description or comments so expectations stay clear. Finally, manage reviews and approvals by moving content tasks through the workflow as they progress. Add reviewers through comments or assignments. Attach files like draft documents, images, or content briefs, and track approval progress until the content is ready to be published.